reports that the White House tried to hide a Navy destroyer named after...
Ginger, he's just a kitten. They're not fighting, believe it or not. It's so horrible. Ginger, he's just a kitten. Bambi, be nice. Cats are so dramatic. Oh my God. Ginger, why do you have to be so loud? Look. What are you doing? Are you sexy? Look at that giant face. Can you be a spaceship? Good boy. You play there with those legs. Casey thinks he's a dog. Look at those back legs. Bambi, you're so cute. Look at you. You're so silly.